his house,
Yeah.
this is really, really bad.
Yeah.
Cause if his sisters don't get in the house, one of them has an exam. And then if she doesn't get to do her exam, she's screwed.
Okay, let's.
Yeah.
Let's go see the scene.
See you next time.
Nope.
Wait, that's and we can go watch them.
Okay. Whatever. I'm going right through here.
Daddy, look at your window. It's too hard.
Oh, this must suck.
And they tried to open that window and it didn't work.
Oh God.
What? Oh God, they're trying to open up that window. That's a bad time.
Yep.
Bad timing.
Toilet's open. They'll fall in it. What?
You're like a mouse, you will. When you're a mouse, you don't feel crap. You go cry. OJ. Where?
This must suck. That is stuck. What is this? Oh God.
I just call fire. I don't know if the lock is on this one. 'Cause this one's broken too. Oh. Got gross water on me. Water over there? Yeah. Wait, let me get the screen. Thank you.
I wish I still lived here.
It's good? Yeah.
You wish you still lived over there?
I wish I still lived out of
I wish too. You would have been in more videos then.
Let's start goofing off.
Get that screen out of my face.
You have a screen in your face.
No, this kind of screen.
It's all on level here.
That ladder looks like it's about to fall.
Almost.